Hey Curly Tees, today let's use Rhodiola Hair Active by making a light daily leave-in treatment cream to keep the hair supple and moisturized without it feeling heavy and without worrying about buildup. This one is definitely for the curlies who like lighter creams. This video will have limited voiceover, so please enjoy the music.
Natural hair beauty is possible if you take care of your hair and make the most of what nature has given you.
Fenugreek is said to help strengthen the hair over time. Create the fenugreek tea by heating distilled water and the fenugreek seeds for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can also let it sit for an additional 30 minutes to increase the potency.
Hi!
Now, the GOAT conditioner, BTMS 50, is the main conditioner and emulsifier in this particular cream. Keep it at or around 4% in this formula if you're using it, but you can also use like a Verisoft EQ65 as an alternative.
They just want to go along the same old way.
Good grooming starts with personal care.
Okay, hear your girl out for a minute. The CURLYTEA YouTube channel is not monetized. In this economy, it's becoming more and more important to learn how to make at least some of your own products. Like, y'all have no idea how many people are asking for info about how to replace more expensive products in their lineup, like they're looking for dupes. Baby, I don't know what to tell y'all about these $30 and $40 products. I make a lot of my own stuff at home, so becoming a member at CURLYTEA.com gets you access to what I already know. All of the niche, handmade, DIY recipes and formulas, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. At the very least, you can improve your perspective on why creating your own hair care and skincare is important. You can also get introductions to ingredients you may have never even considered using before. This endeavor may be a little expensive for me, but that's to keep it from being expensive for you. You can skip all of the stuff that you don't need, all of the stuff that I experimented on. You can skip all of that and go right to what's at the heart of whatever product that you want to make. That's why I'm doing all of this. Like, I love y'all no matter what. So if you can't become a member right now, please subscribe, like the video, retweet what I'm posting on Twitter, or post links so your friends and followers can see. Thank you for your time. It is much appreciated. And please keep watching the video. We ain't finished yet.
Become a member at CURLYTEA.com today to get the full formula, instructions, notes, and other tips.
You are entering a new world of health care.
Become a member at CURLYTEA.com today to get the full formula, instructions, notes, and other tips. Become a member at CURLYTEA.com today to get the full formula, instructions, notes, and other tips.
And you might also think that all this doesn't matter. But that's where you'd be wrong.
Rhodiola Hair Active supposedly helps strengthen the hair over time. It has anti-frizz properties and is thought to help fight against damage. Okay, I'm not sure whether I should have used a higher percentage though. But if I were making this today, I would probably up it to about 2 or 3%. Apparently, you can use up to 5% of this ingredient.
Yes, I can see it all now.
Become a member at CURLYTEA.com today to get the full formula, instructions, notes, and other tips.
As you grow older, you learn to do more and more things for yourself.
The final product is a glorious lightweight cream that can be used daily if necessary. Notice the percentage of the oils in here. It makes for a nice cream that absorbs well. For the curlies that are in their light cream era, the CCT ester in here will help to keep the hair from feeling greasy, okay? Overall, this is a gorgeously light cream, and y'all know I'm a heavy cream girl, but this is pretty dang good, so you should try it if you're into light creams and you don't really like that big substantial heavy cream type of feeling in your curls. Thanks for watching the video. Come by the website. I'll talk to you guys soon. Anyway, shout out to the awesome patrons at Patreon and the wonderful members at CURLYTEA.com. If you are watching at YouTube, make sure to click over to the next video to help us get into the algorithm.